irregular verbs in Perfectum. The most important thing that you'll have to know about irregular verbs in Dutch is that you'll have to learn them by heart. Leer ze uit je hoofd. It's important because a big part of the frequently used verbs in Dutch is irregular. Here are some important irregular verbs. I will read them out loud and you can read along or think along without looking at the screen if you like. Gaan. Ik ben gegaan. Zijn. Ik ben geweest. Hebben. Ik heb gehad. Kopen. Ik heb gekocht. Zoeken. Ik heb gezocht. Doen. Ik heb gedaan. Drinken. Ik heb gedronken. Eten. Ik heb gegeten. Kijken. Ik heb gekeken. Lopen. Ik heb gelopen. Worden. Ik ben geworden. Vliegen. Ik heb gevlogen. Komen. Ik ben gekomen. Lezen. Ik heb gelezen. Schrijven. Ik heb geschreven. Now, you've probably noticed that some of these verbs don't go together with the auxiliary verb hebben. Gaan, for example. It's ik ben gegaan. Not ik heb gegaan. In the next part of this lesson, we are going to take a look into that. Okay guys, this has been the second part of our video series about het perfectum in Dutch. I hope you've learned a lot, and if you did, like and subscribe. If you would like to know more about the difference between zijn and hebben in Dutch, also watch our third video of this series. It will pop up on the screen right now or in a few seconds. And I hope to see you next lesson. Bye bye!